Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make KATAIFI batter. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place plain flour, corn flour, cooking salt, and corn oil. I'm gonna add water little by little, mix together, and sift to remove the lumps. I'm gonna grease a frying pan with corn oil, and cook until peeling off. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!